Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given this cuboid and some of the sides are given, and M is actually a midpoint of AB, and since we know HG or GH is 6 cm midpoint, then you should be able to see that this is 3 and this is 3. And our first problem is to find MG. Well, if I know CM, and because we are given CG, I hope you can see that this is actually a right angle triangle in 3D. So now, if I know CM, can I find CM? I think we can. Because again, I see another blue color. Right angle triangle. This is also another right angle triangle. And that will enable us to find my CM. So part A, right? You will then see Mr. Tan saw that there is this right angle triangle MBC. We have 3 and 5 here. So step 1, I will be able to get my CM. So my CM is simply 5 square plus 3 square, the square root of this. Yeah. And this will be the square root of 34 at this stage. Since this is part of the working, not the final answer of any parts, I leave it as such. Then, focusing on my red color triangle now, where I have my G, C, M, which is also a right angle triangle. This is 4, and I just gotten that this is square root 34. I can then find my MG. So MG is equals to 4 square plus square root 34 square root this, and this will be equals to square root 50, which will be equals to 7.0711 to 5 significant figures. 7.07 cm. 3SF. So part A is just the application of Pythagoras theorem twice. Okay? Part B, find the angle of elevation of G from M. This is also quite straightforward because this angle of elevation of G from M will be this angle here. So for part B, I'm going to again rely on this triangle, right angle triangle GMC. So with respect to the angle GMC, I have my adjacent side, opposite side, and with Tuakaso, A. Yes, you will see Mr. Tan applying tangent ratio to get GMC. Opposite over adjacent. And this will be the angle that we are trying to find for the angle of elevation of G from M. Final answer for part B, 34.4 degrees to 1 decimal place. And for presentation wise, since they ask about angle of elevation, then this is the best presentation. Okay, angle of elevation of G from M is therefore equals to 34.4 degrees to 1 decimal place. Part C, find angle HMG. Now, in order to find this HMG, I need you all, my wonderful audience, to know that this HM and GM, they are of the same length, and this only happens because this is M is at the midpoint, okay, of this cuboid. So when I were to draw out this for part C, our focus is then on this H, G, M, and we already gotten mg from the previous part, which is square root 50. You all must know that hm is also square root 50, and we have a 6 here, and we need to find this angle here. Given 3 sides to find the one angle, what rule should we apply in the world of trigonometry? Brilliant, cosine rule. So angle HMG is simply the cosine inverse of, angle is here, so I'm going to start off with these 2 sides that make the angle. So it will be the square root 50 square plus square root 50 square minus 6 square over 2 times square root 50 and square root 50, and this will give me a value of 50.208 to find significant figures. Final answer, 1 decimal place. And do notice when Mr. Tan solved problems involving 3D diagrams, Mr. Tan always pull out and draw that triangle so that it's easier for Mr. Tan to visualize the necessary information. Okay? With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.